Rad Scientist. Welcome to week 4 of our Rad Scientist program. I'm excited to start today because today we are going to fill up this regular old balloon without using air. We're going to use baking soda and vinegar. Don't believe me? Check it out. All right, Rad Scientists, let's blow up this balloon. You will need your balloon out of your kit, your vinegar, your baking soda, and your bottle, and your piece of paper. I cut mine in half to make it more manageable. We're going to use this to make a funnel to get the baking soda into our balloon. First, take your top off, pour your vinegar in the bottle. Slowly, slowly, slowly. If it does spill, no big deal, but you want the most you can have in there for your reaction to be awesome. Bottle, vinegar, check. Set aside. I need to get the baking soda in the balloon. That's where the paper comes in. I cut mine in half. Now we're just going to roll it. Okay. It is rolled. Now you're going to hold the bottom part this, and then you're going to make this part bigger. So you're going to untwist the top while the bottom stays twisted. It's going to kind of come out like this, see? And if that's too big still, then you can just twist that one back. And now you have a cone. So stick this. All right. Also, if you want, you can tape it so it doesn't get all squirrely on you. All right. So here is your funnel. Put your balloon over the end of it, like so. It says to do a tablespoon of baking soda, so I'm going to do a tablespoon of baking soda down my funnel. Whoop. All right, now it's all in my balloon. Now carefully hold this part, snip it off. Tap it all down. We're going to put this on the bottle. All right. Make sure that baking soda is all in the bottom of that. All right, here we go. Now gently, you don't want the baking soda to get in there until it's time. So now we put this over the top, like so. All right, that's all the way around. See? All right, you ready? Let's see if this works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that worked amazingly. So, do you know why that worked? That worked because baking soda is a base, vinegar is an acid. When they get together, they have a little party. They exchange protons, and when doing so, their party causes a reaction, which causes a gas to be made, which filled up our balloon here, and that is carbon dioxide. And then this will eventually just turn into regular old water. Now, carbon dioxide, carbon, just like carbonated drinks. So it is the same fizziness that you get in a pop when you drink a pop. So it's made differently though, because there's no vinegar or baking soda in your pop. They force the carbon dioxide into your pop with a fancy machine. to fill up a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. But this is how you do it. Awesome. I love science.